everybody? Brent from Brent Speed. Thanks so much for watching Brent Speed TV. It's a short one today, but it's going to be cool. 08 GT500 with only 2,400 miles. Whipple supercharged, cammed, laying down over 700 rural horsepower. We're going to watch that dyno pull. I have Doug with me. But hey, if you haven't, please subscribe and notify us up to date. See cool videos like this. Let's go check it out. Alright, I just love the lobe of the Detroit rocker camshafts. They work in the 5.4 and the 5.8 GT500. But Doug, come down, take a look. I want to tell you what's going on. So we installed a supercharger a couple years ago. It's a 2.9 Whipple. But right now, the 95-pound fuel injectors, carbon fiber JLT. We have Cook's long tube headers. 3.25 pulleys, about 15 pounds of boost. It's a killer setup because you're going to 93 octane with this. Have a super reliable car laying down over 700 rural horsepower. Check out this dyno pull. All right, before we go look at the dyno graph, just a couple things. Remember, 93 octane. And if you wonder what it costs to get something like this installed, email quote@brentspeed.com. We can tell you that through the email process, or check that description. I'll have links so you can have a lot of these parts shipped right to your door. It's pretty easy. But Doug, come over here, take a look. DynoJet SAE, 718 rural horsepower, peaking right at 6,400 RPM. Torque comes in 666, peaking right around 4,500. But look, 2,500 right here. Wide open throttle, boom, over 600. That's what I love about the GT500. I want to take one more look at this car right here because you really have no idea it makes that kind of power. And it's pretty crazy how easy it is on a car like this to make over 700 rural horsepower. You know, upgrade the blower, set of camshafts, set of headers. You run 93 octane. So we do have a boosted pump in this as well, but you don't need like a return style fuel system as if you're running 85, which is really popular on the Coyote. But you have a car like this, super awesome way to go. So hey, if you have any questions, leave a comment, happy to answer. And again, I'm Brent. Thank you for watching Brent Speed TV. Subscribe, notify us up to date. Email quote@brentspeed.com. What's that cost to get installed? And check out our website. We can ship it right to your door. Thanks for watching.